Hey, today we're going to be doing a video about slime because I got a few pots of slime delivered from Amazon today. I'm going to show you what colours they are, what they sound like. It's crunchy slime. I've even got like some in my hand right now, made from like tiny little bits of slime. So that's the one I made up from little bits of slime earlier. First, this one's called Kiwi Fruit Slime. You can just about see it. I'm going to add the tiny bits in. Oh, very yeah. What we're going to do, sprinkle them about so the pot gets an even amount. Actually smells quite nice. I think it actually smells of kiwi. I'm going to press the little bits in with the slime. And I think there should be, have a bag like different bits that go in with the slime. So let's put one of these in. Get the big bit, small big plastic piece of kiwi and put that into. And I don't know why, but we're given some foam cubes as well, so I'm guessing they need to go in as well. So I don't know how many there are in each bag, but I'm just going to put at least about 2 in each pot. See what happens from there. Yeah. So we're gonna. Oh, it's getting under my nails now. Sorry, got my neighbour's dog barking. Please excuse that. What we're gonna we're gonna try and get the slime out of the pot. If it can. I think it's actually moulded into the pot. Try and get it out. Managing to get a fair amount out of the pot, but obviously we're trying to aim to get all of it out. Obviously you have a few other slimes to show you as well that I've received. Yeah. Obviously they're all crunchy slimes, so I did try making my own homemade slime a couple of weeks ago, but it didn't go right. I think I added too much of both ingredients. It was a no glue slime. It was just washing up liquid and shampoo. So I think I added too much of each. Yeah. So this one's a kiwi fruit. Put that back in the pot and we'll get to the other ones too. So obviously I don't really want it losing its colour. Next one we're going to go for is the watermelon slime. I'm going to do the same as what we did with the other one. Oh, got a bit of slime on the underside of the lid, so we'll just get rid of that quickly. And this one smells very nice. Smells just like watermelon, so I think they're all scented slimes, which is nice. Ooh. Again, please excuse my neighbour's dog. Add that to the little ball of slime here. Cut. We're going to cut this open and do the same what we did to the first one. Sprinkle the bits in. Where's the watermelon shape? Here it is. Watermelon, very small. And we'll put a couple of foam cubes in. I might have to do this video in 2 parts or 3 parts, because I think I got 12 boxes of slime. I did. Well, 12 tubs, not 12 boxes, sorry. I meant 12 tubs. Yeah, I'm gonna mix that all in. Make sure it gets nice, even amount all around. And like the first time, I'm going to attempt to take it out with the tub. Oh, I'm so sorry, the owners have left a dog at home. I've tried to get the majority of it out of the tub, which is good. Again, this one's called watermelon slime. And I'm going to see, yeah, had a nice crunch there. Yeah. Try and get some and we're going to put that back into the tub, because with the green one, I don't want it losing its colour, and we don't want it losing its stickiness either. So I'm going to put you back in the tub. Having trouble putting it back in. There we go. My little slime ball's getting bigger. This is looks kind of like a silverish brown slime, because it's, like I said, it's all different textures of slime mixed together. I will show you my homemade slimes in a bit. Here we have frog slime. What's it smell like? I think they all smell the same, actually. little mini frog to put. We can do this another way. We're going to put the frog in first. A couple of foam cubes. Then we put sprinkles on top. Sorry for my phone vibrating or going off. I'm getting notifications while filming this. Oh. I don't think this is what I want to be done today. Alright, so this is part 1 of the slime video. We're going to be doing part 2 in about 5 minutes time. So please stand by for part 2.